Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be unboxing and testing this Kingston DataTraveler Exodia USB flash drive, which has 64 gigabytes of storage space and is USB 3.2. So to open it, you can just cut this portion on the back. You can use a knife like I am, or you could use scissors, I assume, or if you're strong enough, your bare hands. Once that part has been cut, I believe you should be able to pull the USB flash drive out. So there it is. It is fairly compact. It has this cap on it. You can pull that out, and I believe it caps in the back too. So it's pretty nice size. If you wish, you can put the whole in a lanyard, so that way it's pretty handy. So next I'll be testing the speed. Hey guys, so now I'm going to connect the Kingston flash drive into my laptop, and then test its speeds, its read and write speeds. So as you can see, it's completely empty. I can open Crystal Disk Mark 8 and then keep the default settings. I actually changed this, my bad, it should have been at 5, and then quickly test all of its speeds. So this is gonna be its theoretical maximum, I believe. This will be its like minimum, likely. These both are sequential and these are random. Okay, so I ran read and write speed tests with this Crystal Disk Mark 8 application, and you can see that the speeds that we're getting are actually pretty close to what was advertised. Well, I only saw the read speed, and that was advertised to be 100. And this is the theoretical maximum, and this is closer to the real world maximum, and these are like minimum speeds. I didn't see what the write speeds were like on any advertising, but 30 is pretty decent. I think for USB 3, minimum of like 20-ish can be expected. So I would say that these are some pretty good speeds. The last thing that I want to check is how much storage space is available. So although it was advertised that it's 64, almost always if you connect it to an actual PC, it'll be less than that once you check it out. So this is 57.6 gigabytes. That's also not bad at all. If it was like too much less than this, then that would probably have been an issue. There's an interesting article about why Windows reads differently from how manufacturers calculate the speed, so I could link that article below. But anyways, yeah, this flash drive seems pretty good as of right now. Thanks for watching.